Practical tips for healthy sleep, according to sleep expert.
Getting better sleep is crucial for overall health and well-being. Here are some tips to improve the quality of your sleep.
1. Establish a consistent sleep schedule. Go to bed and wake up at the same time every day, even on weekends, to regulate your body's internal clock.
2. Create a relaxing bedtime routine. Develop a calming routine before bedtime, such as reading a book, meditating, or taking a warm bath.
3. Limit screen time before bed. Avoid electronic devices like smartphones, computers, and TVs at least an hour before going to bed, as the blue light can disrupt sleep.
4. Create a comfortable sleep environment. Keep your bedroom cool, dark, and quiet to promote better sleep.
5. Invest in a comfortable mattress and pillow. Choose a mattress and pillow that support your preferred sleeping position and provide comfort.
6. Avoid caffeine and heavy meals before bed. Cut down on caffeine and large meals close to bedtime to avoid disruptions in sleep.
7. Limit naps during the day. If you need to nap, keep it short, 20 to 30 minutes, and avoid napping late in the afternoon.
8. Exercise regularly. Engage in regular physical activity, but avoid intense workouts close to bedtime.
9. Practice mindfulness. Let go of worries and distractions by focusing on the present moment before going to bed.
10. Avoid alcohol and nicotine. These substances can disrupt sleep patterns. Try to avoid them, especially close to bedtime.
11. Get sunlight exposure during the day. Natural sunlight exposure during the day helps regulate your body's sleep-wake cycle.
12. Create a wind-down routine. Engage in relaxing activities before bed, such as listening to soft music or practicing gentle stretching.
13. Associate your bed with sleep. Use your bed primarily for sleeping, so your brain associates it with rest.
14. Use white noise or earplugs. Mask outside noises with white noise or use earplugs if noise is disruptive.
Remember, everyone's sleep needs are different.
Experiment with these tips to find what works best for you, and prioritize consistent sleep habits to improve the quality of your sleep and overall well-being. Until next time, and thanks for watching.